what's going on? It's your boy Lando Success. We're going to talk a little bit about sports. I have a separate sports channel called Top Sports Debate. You can add yourself there if you want to hear me talk about sports all day, what I do. But I'm not talking about money. But we're mixing the two, money and sports today. So today is National Signing Day. For those that don't know, for college football, the high school students get to announce where they're going to sign and which school they're going to pick. Go Blue, Michigan, go to Michigan. You know, if y'all don't know where to go. But you have a 5-star recruit, number one recruit in the world, in the country, Travis Hunter. He played for Jackson State University with Deion Sanders, and the world is wondering where he's going to go. Is he going to go with Deion to Colorado? Is he going to go somewhere else? Come to Michigan? Where is he going to go? And he just announced on Twitter, he has 70,000 followers. Like, get me 30,000 more followers and I announce on YouTube where I'm going. He's a fucking genius. These young guys, you can start making money right now. While he's in college, while he is playing football, all he have to do is literally vlog his life. Take his iPhone and vlog and just learn videography. That's it. You just literally was entertaining. Yo, here go this game. Give people the insights, because a lot of students and grown people want to know their life and what they're doing in their decisions. Now you monetize. Once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, now you get to monetize it. So he's about to get paid for us watching him announce where he's going. Y'all ain't listening to that. Kids now have the platform to say whatever the hell they want to say, their narrative, how they want it to be said. Genius concept. So if you a young athlete that watch my channel, start a YouTube channel now and learn everything you need to learn on YouTube, how to make marketable, good videos. Videos that people want to watch, entertain, because you got to think, my son is 2.5. He's going to be monetized by the end of, he's going to be not monetized next year, 2023. 2.5. So by the time he 3, 4, he's going to be making income. So by 18, he no tell how much money he's going to have. It's like, all right, kid. So he's going to know how to do YouTubes and do his own stuff after a while. Like, hey, I started it. Here you go. Here go all your money. Here go a few 100,000 from your channel. You got to start thinking business, people. You got to start thinking ways to monetize and to leverage yourself. Shout out to that young brother. Go follow him so he can announce it. Travis Hunter. Young man, young man, young man.